guys, my name's attorney Manny Serra from the Rosen Law Firm. We're here for you when bad things happen to good people. Now, in 2020, as if murder hornets, COVID, the death of some beloved superstars is not enough, we are now on the lookout for porch pirates. Okay, guys, porch pirates is a term now that's becoming more and more common and prevalent in society. What a porch pirate is, for those of you who don't know, is an individual, a criminal, who enters the property of another or the curtilage of another, or the porch, and takes packages that are on there and steals them. So obviously with people working from home, with quarantine happening, with the digitalization of a lot of merchandise, people are ordering packages left and right, and sometimes they stack upon their porch. Their porch can look almost like a Christmas tree for a criminal, where they can come and take all the presents underneath the tree, underneath the porch, underneath the Ring camera sometimes. So guys, if you have those Ring cameras, you'll be able to catch one of these, also not so rare these days, porch pirates. Okay, and so what I want to talk to you a bit about is the criminal consequences that can happen from pirating another's joy off of their porch during this holiday season. So let's first talk about the smallest of the criminal consequences. A misdemeanor petty theft. Okay, so the statute changed in Florida a few years back that a petty theft is anything taken from another with the intent to deprive them of that property, valued under $750. So many of the packages that my wife receives are not going to qualify for the $750 limit. I'm joking, Astrid, I love you. Nevertheless, any package that's taken, or collective packages that are taken that are under $750 will qualify as a misdemeanor under the state law. That means it could be punishable by up to a year in the county jail. That goes for any county in the state of Florida, Broward, Dade, Palm Beach, Brevard, whatever you're looking at, okay? What can happen if the property is valued above that $750? That puts you into an enhanced category and actually brings you into felony court. Grand theft is what you could be slapped with if the property is valued above $750. Now, depending on how large the value is, it can actually be a grand theft in the first degree. So grand theft can range from maximum penalty of 5 years in the Florida State Prison to even 30 years in Florida State Prison. And really, again, it's all going to depend on the value of the property taken. Now, what's the next potential outcome? Burglary, right, guys? If you enter the property of another or structure of another with the intent to commit a criminal offense, you can actually be charged with burglary in the state of Florida. So entering the curtilage or the porch of an individual or the package room of someone with the intent to take the package, even if you don't actually take the package, you can be charged with burglary. And that's a very serious offense, okay, guys? And that really runs through the misdemeanor, which is the petty theft, the grand theft, which is a felony and has various ranges, and burglary, which is a very serious felony in the state of Florida. But there's also a federal crime that could be had here, because the U.S. mail is a special category of a protected object. And if you meddle in the U.S. mail or you're involved in criminal activity that isn't connected with the U.S. mail, you may be looking at a federal offense, which is a very serious problem to be facing. So if you or a loved one has been arrested or charged with, or has a detective asking to speak with you about an alleged porch piracy, give us a call. We're happy to help you out and walk you through it. But not just the criminal allegations are what should be concerning you. The criminal allegations in conjunction with your future is very, very serious. And why is that? Okay, these porch piracy offenses are crimes considered to be of moral turpitude, which means that if you're interviewing for a job, you wouldn't be able to get that job in many circumstances, because crimes of moral turpitude show bad character, meaning dishonesty, stealing, theft. Those are very serious allegations. And if I'm an employer, right, and just as if you're an employer, if you have two equal candidates, one who does not have a history of theft or a crime of moral turpitude, and the other that does, the decision becomes rather easy as to who you hire. So it can really negatively affect your future in that aspect. Another aspect is immigration consequences. If you're not a citizen of this country, crimes of moral turpitude, crimes of dishonesty are a very big red flag that can result in citizenship being denied or even deportation. Now, we're not immigration lawyers here. We specialize in criminal defense. However, we have a team of immigration lawyers that we've referred cases to that are trustworthy, and we know, like, and trust them. So certainly if that's something that you or a loved one is facing, don't be afraid to give us a call in regard to that as well. Finally, when it comes to porch piracy, what if you're a victim? What if something was taken off of your porch? What if that beautiful, awesome Louis Vuitton wallet that you got for your loved one was stolen off of your porch, and now you don't have the money because you lost your job or you spent your entire budget on that to make your significant other happy? What if that gets taken away? What do? Under Marcy's law, you could be entitled as a victim of a crime to restitution for all items taken. Now, we'd have to work in conjunction with the state attorney and work on a resolution that would allow you to actually get paid that restitution to make you whole again. You are entitled to the funds taken from you or the amount that you are out of pocket. So that is another thing that can come from this porch piracy. Obviously, during this holiday season, especially in 2020, we hope that no one gets caught being a porch pirate. We hope that no one falls victim to porch piracy, but I'd be remiss in saying that this is not out there. We've handled many cases involving porch piracy in the past, okay, where we've gotten great resolutions for our clients, but understand that it's becoming more and more prevalent. So keep your eyes out, guys. I hope you have a great holiday. And again, if you are a victim of this crime, or you or someone is charged with this crime, or has a detective looking to speak with you, give us a call at 754-206-6200. Bye, guys.